Well, hello. Welcome back to South Thailand Ride 2024. Hope you are enjoying the series so far. Well, on today's episode, I'm going to go for a ride around here at Banglang Lake, the province of Yala. Currently staying at the Moon Lake Resort, a nice spot right by the lake for some nice views of the Banglang Lake and also a great place to chill out and relax. I'm currently heading out to Tok Ku Chae Bridge, where there is actually a viewpoint overlooking the lake, and also just to chill out at the bridge itself to get some pictures before ending the day here. Now heading out of Moon Lake Resort, the road can get quite bumpy, gravel roads with potholes here and there, so do be careful if you are heading here on your bikes. Well, for Bobby the Qooder, it's no problem because it has 4 wheels. Was a good test of his capability riding on rocky terrain, and I didn't even worry a bit about balance and obstacles through this road.
Main road at least now.
Well, I finally made it out of the rocky road, and there are some nice bends here heading towards the bridge. Arrived at Tok Ku Chae Bridge. It's a pretty quiet area around this Banglang Lake. Mostly I see are locals. Didn't really see any tourists around. And check out the view, man, over here. Well, as you can see, the viewpoint is closed. Probably there is an opening time, but did not show anywhere in the maps and such. So I guess it's too bad and gotta skip it for today. Well, I decided to move forward and decided to chill out at the bridge instead while the sun goes down. Here seems to be a good spot to stop. Decided to pull out the Bumblebee, man. It's a long time since I flown it. Guess I'll just chill out here for a bit and show you some views of Banglang Lake and Tok Ku Chae Bridge. Right, it's time to make a move from Tok Ku Chae Bridge. I didn't realize the time passed and now it's starting to get dark. But it was a nice and relaxing time here. And now, heading to a nearby restaurant to get something to eat. There's not much options around here, especially at night, so it's best to come early before any of the shop closes. Stop by at Kuntong Cafe. Over here, they sell seafood and such, so will be interesting to try.
Okay lah, settle nak makan. Let's sit back. Hopefully I got the right road. Just in case lah, I just plot in the map. In case I miss the turn again, then another problem.
Got my food, so it's time to head back to the resort. Now Kuntong Cafe would have been a good spot to eat during the daytime as it overlooks the Banglang Lake. However, at night, it seems that all species of insects are flying to the cafe while I was ordering. So I decided to just do a takeaway and enjoy the meal in my room instead. Now this starting part of the road is still alright, it's pretty lit up by the street lamps because maybe it's near the bridge area.
Hopefully the road later got some kind of light So much for my light.
But as I head further in, it seems that the street lamps are all out. So quite a bit of the road is in pitch black darkness. Now I can see this guy on the bike just speeding past in the darkness. Probably already know the roads around here already.
Fog light on the incoming traffic.
Though was poor visibility, I decided to show you of how it will look like just riding with the high beam of your bike, and if you did not install any fog lights on your bike.
Out here they got light. Okay, the tent should be here.
Back on the rocky roads again. Over here is again, there is no lights, so decided to switch on the fog lights, and what a big difference, man. Also it's much safer in case there is any big rocks or obstacles along the way. And I'm back at Moon Lake Resort. Though I did not do much around here, but it was a good place to just chill out and relax just for the day and continue my journey tomorrow. So it's time to head back to my room and enjoy my dinner.
Okay lah, settle. Check out the spread for tonight. At least got something different this time. All the while eating nasi goreng, man. At least got some seafood, You got some veggies, got white rice, and then this one comes with the sauce, the paste, and of course, solid one whole fish give me. Total about 640 lah, Thai baht. I didn't want to eat there lah because nighttime a lot of insects start flying everywhere. I would spoil the whole mood. Might as well come back and enjoy. Also don't want to eat outside where the table is down there. So sure all the insects are going to start flying. So time for me to dig in. Quite a large amount lah. So I can just slowly relax and top up my energy with the good food of Thailand. Time for me to go enjoy my dinner. See you tomorrow when the sun rises here in Moon Lake Resort.